Good morning friends. In the today's lecture we will see the unit number 3, that is nothing but a digital electronics. So in that we will see the basic of digital electronics, how the computer get answer. Like this we are giving some words as a 2 plus 1, we are getting answer as a 3. So a computer understand information only in the form of zeros and ones. That is, a decimal number system is convenient for the programmer, but the computer uses a binary for its operation. As your computer understand only the language of zeros and ones, so we are using different digital languages or binary languages. So there are different basic number systems such as a binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So first one is nothing but a decimal number system. So in a decimal number system, base of that system is 10, that is nothing but a digit used from 0 to 9, that is total 10 digit, and base given as a 10 means when we represent any number in decimal system we can write out of that 0 to 9. Then decimal number system, like as you can write a weight for this particular number system, such as suppose our first digit is 8, so we write 4598, so we write that particular weight as 4598. So 8 is a LSB, so we write a weight of LSB 8 into 10 raised to 0. For this 9 we are writing 9 into 10 raised to 1. Then 5 9 into 5 into 10 raised to 2, and for 4 into 10 raised to 3. Then binary number system. In a binary number system, basically base is a 2, that is nothing but we are using only 2 digits, that is zeros and ones. So base given as a 2. Computer understand only that language, so we are using basically binary number system. So again in binary number system, when we have to represent any number, suppose number given is 1011, we can write that number, this 1 as 1 into 2 raised to 0. This is LSB, this is MSB. This 1 into 2 raised to 1, 0 into 2 raised to 2, and this 1 into 2 raised to 3. Then hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the different base is the 16. We are using digit from 0 to 9, and we are using letter from A to F, that it uses a letter as well as symbols. Suppose we have to represent number 1A 5D 1A 5D, so we write D into 16 raised to 0, 5 into 16 raised to 1, A into 16 raised to 2, 1 into 16 raised to 3. Now in that, after the 9, A having a weight of 10, B having weight of 11, like this, F having a weight of 15. Then octal number system. In octal number system, base is 8, digit used are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is base is 8. We are using only from 0 to 7, not 8 is included here. So the base given for this number system is 8. Suppose the octal number is like this, 5273, so we represent that number as 3 into 8 raised to 0, 7 into 8 raised to 1, 2 into 8 raised to 2, this 5 into 8 raised to 3. Now for conversion in basic number system, we can represent a number from 0 to 15 in decimal. Then binary equivalent we write 0001, 0010, 0011. Then for 40100, 101, 110, 111. For 8 1000, for 9 1001, up to 415 we write 4 times 1. In a hexadecimal, same number you can write from 1 to 9 up to 9, and after that 9 for 10 we can write A B C D E F. In octal number system, as in octal base is 8, so we can write number up to 7. After 8 you can write that number as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like this. So binary to decimal. Suppose we have given one system that is a binary, and we have to convert into decimal. So first we have given, suppose example 10101. So when we have to represent that number or convert that number to decimal, you can just write all the digits separately, 10101, and for this one you can write 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 0 into 2 raised to 3, and 1 into 2 raised to 4. All zeros are get cancelled, and remaining term just added, we are getting the value as a decimal 21. then hexadecimal to decimal. When we have to convert a given hexadecimal to decimal, suppose we have given one number 5 and 9, that is in a hex, we have to convert into hexa. So what we do for this 9 into 16 raised to 0, a into 16 raised to 1, 5 into 16 raised to 2, whatever all these we are just multiplying this, and then addition we are getting as a decimal number. So it is very simple to convert any number to decimal number. Then octal number given and we have to convert into decimal, same process. We can write all digits separately, 6, 5, 4, 5, and given number is octal, so we can write 5 into 8 raised to 0 plus 4 into 8 raised to 1 plus 6 into 8 raised to 2, multiplication and then addition, we are getting a number as a octal to decimal. Thank you.